Welcome to the More Realtors weekly St. Louis real estate market update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at More, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's jump right in with the St. Louis real estate news. This week on stlouisrealestatenews.com, which is the best source for local news and information as it pertains to the St. Louis real estate market. Some of the headlines included what is the risk of flood for your home? This article links to a real handy widget, an online tool, an interactive map that lets you put in a specific address or an area or a region and see how prone that area or region is to flooding. Also, another great article, 11 Reasons to Own a Home, along with a update of St. Louis mortgage rates, which are very low. I believe the 30-year rates were quoted at about 4.7%. An article on new home construction sinking to a 25-year low on housing starts. I think that's good news considering the market, but you'll have to read the article to see why. And then finally, an article on the St. Louis County assessors' new property values as part of the 2011 assessment or reassessment. The county assessor property values indicate that property values in St. Louis County dropped 5.2% in the past 2 years. I think some homeowners may argue that it dropped more, but that's what the assessor says. You can get this and as well as complete up-to-date news and information on the St. Louis real estate market at stlouisrealestatenews.com. Okay, now we're going to get into the data on the St. Louis housing market. All the data I'm going to share with you is for the St. Louis 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. The first chart we have here shows the median sales price for homes that sold, as well as the median number of days it took to sell for this 5-county area. The first chart is a 12-month chart, so it shows going back over the last 12 months. The green line here represents the median sales price, and you'll see over the past 12 months it peaked in June 2010 in conjunction with the tax credits, dipped down, took a little spike up in December, and has kind of settled back down in this lower range here, somewhere around the little below 120. At the same time, the median days it's taking to sell a home has continually increased over the past 12 months. The next chart we have here is the same data, just a little closer look at just this year, year to date. And once again, the blue line is the median days to sell, and you'll see that for this year it's trending upward, definitely trending upward as we go into March, as it's getting closer to 80 days. And the median sales price into March here is beginning to drop a little bit. The next chart that we have here is again a 12-month chart, and this shows the ratio or the relationship between the actual sales price of homes sold to the original list price, as well as the ratio of the sales price to what the homes were listed at the time they sold. The blue line shows the ratio of the actual sales price to the list price at the time of sale. The green line shows it in relation to the original sales price. And again, this is a 12-month chart. This in December, you can see there's a big hiccup here, and the sales prices were about 120% almost of the current list price. This is an anomaly, probably due to some REOs that were underpriced or priced very attractively and were bid up. But basically, it looks like over the course of time, we're just about now where we were about a year ago. And this next chart here shows the same information on just a year-to-date basis. And you can see that the sale price to list price ratio has definitely been dropping as we go into this year. We're down to about 75% of the current list price and somewhere just over 60% of the original list price. This next chart is a historic chart. This shows what the median list prices of all homes listed were as far as the median sales price and of homes listed. And this goes back 10 years. And you can see the blue line represents the median list prices, green line median sales prices, and then we can see that everything peaked around '06, about the end of our bull market, if you would, or will, and it's been dropping ever since. And the sales price, while the list price, median list price, has been kind of a steady decline, the sales prices kind of dropped off here in March. When I click to this next chart, same information. This is just for a 12-month period, the most recent 12 months. And you can see it's very clear here that the median sales price has dropped in the past 12 months from 140 down to about $120,000. But sellers aren't catching on yet. You can see by the blue line, the median list price has actually increased. Now, what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner John Williams and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.